It's the perfect holistic wellness hack for glowing morning. Subscribe for more superfood recipes and comment golden for the full recipe. This is the #1 drink you need before bed. We're using Super Organics turmeric root powder for the ultimate anti-inflammatory boost. Did you know turmeric tea benefits are 2,000% more effective with a pinch of black pepper? This easy health tea recipe is a total game changer for deep sleep and gut health. Drinking turmeric tea before bed helps detox your liver and reduce bloating and fights inflammation while you sleep. Here's 5 health benefits of turmeric tea before bed. Number 1, reduces inflammation. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps smooth joints and muscles after a long day. 2, supports digestion. Drinking it after dinner can help reduce bloating and settle your stomach before you lay down. 3, promotes relaxation. Turmeric tea is caffeine-free and has a warming effect that signals to your body it's time to wind down. 4, boosts immunity. Its antioxidant properties help your body recover and strengthen your immune system while you sleep. 5, improve sleep quality. Some studies suggest curcumin may help lower anxiety levels and protect against oxidative stress, leading to a more restful night's sleep. Now, a quick word by our partnered sponsor. This video is partnered and sponsored by Nublia. Every night deserves cloud-like comfort. Nublia is committed to your best sleep journey. Your sweetest nights start with the cloud-like comfort. Simply visit nubliasleep.com for more info and grab yourself the cloud-like pillow using the current discount code. When you use our coupon code of Judy10, you save and you are helping us by creating more videos like this one. Thank you in advance for your support by subscribing, watching, and placing an order with our unique link down below. Your sweet dreams awaits. Discover more comfort and get the cloud-like pillow with the current discount code Judy10. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, here's an easy, healthy turmeric tea recipe and the benefits of drinking it before bed. Now, we call this the golden nightcap turmeric tea. We have 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of hot water, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, or you could do freshly grated ginger if you'd like, and then a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, whichever one you'd like to go. It's optional, and a squeeze of lemon. And into a saucepan, whisk in the turmeric, ginger, and black pepper until well combined. Simmer on low for 2 to 3 minutes to let it infuse its flavors, because we're chasing the flavors. And pour into a mug. Stir in your sweetener and lemon and enjoy warm. Now, for those that don't know, hi, I'm Judy Ann from justtoday.com, and thank you so much for watching, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I think you know what to do.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.